this continue though through the governor's orders or the health department's order
ODH never actually had anything to do
with
these
these?
policies.
These are
This
just
was
ours,
us that take care of
internal?
our employees, yes.
But don't we
Yes.
normally follow the dates that were given? I mean.
Yeah,
Well, if we think about the Family First Coronavirus Act, that expired December 31st of last year. And the government at that time did not extend the FFCRA.
Yeah.
We did, because we were caring for our employees and their
Okay.
families.
Okay.
So we created this. We created the COVID leave policy to help individuals, you know, if they got COVID or whatever and had a quarantine. And also the remote learning and child care leave, because at that time, schools were either hybrid or still remote learning or whatever. We were trying to take care of our
Yeah.
employees
Right.
earlier this year. Now, that is starting to slow down. The cases are, you know, going down, they're decreasing. As far, I do know that, I believe under age of 12, obviously they're not able to get the vaccine yet, they're still doing the research.
yeah.
So, under the age of 12, I don't know what's gonna happen with those schools when they reopen in the fall, if that age group will still be.
Cause this all has to do with COVID. It's not our regular policies,
No,
it's,
no,
so
this
I
is
think
strictly
we would need
COVID-related.
to rescind these then.
I would agree.
I
Get rid
would,
of them.
yeah, I would
Yeah.
add a date. I mean, I was
June
thinking.
2nd.
Or June 2nd. I was gonna say June 30th, just to give
That's
people
fine.
time to, you know, if they, a couple more weeks for time if they wanna get the vaccine, because the vaccines are covered for them. If employees want to go in the middle of the day and go get the vaccine, the time is covered underneath the, emergency leave policy. So that's, or if they would have an adverse effect, that time is also covered by, but I was gonna suggest if you wanna do it sooner.
I would do it
that's something
sooner
I want,
because,
but-
I mean, June 2nd, we were done. I mean,
Yes.
cause sometimes if you say,
Next
give them
Thursday.
extra time, then that just gives some people the chance to utilize it.
Well, and that's, yes,
Right,
that is very
right.
true, and that, I think that's what departments
As
are
of today,
experiencing right
how
now.
about we do it as of today?
As of today, okay. Yes, and so then next week, I will bring back resolutions rescinding these policies, okay? That, yeah, that's the only discussion item. I do have an executive session.
Oh, gee,
I'm sorry.
Board moves to accordance with the Ohio Revised Code 121.22G1, motion to go into executive session to consider employment of public employee.
Second.
Roll call?
Tony?
Yes.
Vicky? Yes. Sabrina?
Yes. Regina, we got 5 minutes.